Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Master Words English.
Hi, everyone. We're so happy to see you again. How are you all doing today?
I hope you're doing great because today we have a really useful topic, my daily routine.
That's right. Talking about your daily routine is one of the best ways to practice English. It helps you use the present simple tense, time expressions, and daily activity verbs.
Exactly. So today, Daniel and I will share our own daily routines. You'll learn how to describe your day from morning to night in clear and simple English.
Sounds great. Let's get started with the morning.
Okay, so my day starts at around 7 o'clock in the morning. When I wake up, the first thing I do is stretch a little and smile. It's my way of saying thank you for a new day. Then I get out of bed and make my bed, because a clean room makes me feel fresh.
That's a great habit, Sarah. I usually wake up a bit earlier, around 6:30 a.m. I drink a big glass of water right after waking up. It's really good for your health. Then I brush my teeth, wash my face, and sometimes take a short cold shower to wake up completely.
Oh, cold showers. That sounds brave. I prefer warm showers. After that, I prepare my breakfast, usually some eggs, toast, and coffee.
I'm more of a tea person. I drink black tea with lemon. My breakfast is light, maybe a banana or a sandwich.
After breakfast, I check my emails and messages, then get dressed for work. I leave home around 8:30.
Same here. I take a short walk to my office. The fresh morning air really helps me feel awake and focused.
So at work, I spend most of my time teaching English and making content for Masterwords English. My morning classes usually start at 9 a.m., and I teach until around noon.
I work as a graphic designer, so I spend a lot of time creating posters and working on new designs. Sometimes I also join meetings with clients.
That sounds creative, but busy.
It is, but I enjoy it. Around 12:30, I take a break for lunch, usually rice, vegetables, and chicken.
I also have a simple lunch, maybe salad or pasta. After lunch, I take a short walk to relax my mind. Then I come back and continue teaching, checking homework or recording new lessons.
My afternoon is similar. I work on editing designs, reply to emails, and plan for the next day.
After finishing work, I like to relax a bit. I usually do some light exercise or yoga.
I prefer going for a short run in the park. It helps me reduce stress after a long day.
That's nice. Then I take a shower, change into comfortable clothes, and prepare dinner. Sometimes I cook rice and curry, sometimes soup or noodles.
I usually have dinner with my family around 8 p.m. We talk about our day, watch TV, or play some music.
After dinner, I like to read a book or write in my journal. It helps me reflect on the day.
That's great. I usually watch YouTube videos or study new design ideas before bed.
I go to bed around 11 p.m., but before sleeping, I always thank Allah for the day and make a short plan for tomorrow.
That's a beautiful habit, Sarah. I think ending the day with gratitude makes life peaceful.
On weekends, my routine changes a bit. I wake up later, around 9 a.m., and I love making pancakes.
Me too. I also clean my room, do laundry, and sometimes visit my friends.
I spend time with my family, maybe go shopping or visit a cafe. Weekends are perfect for recharging.
Exactly. It's the time to relax, but also prepare for a new week ahead.
Let's quickly review some key phrases we use today.
Sure.
I wake up at 7.
I brush my teeth and take a shower.
I go to work at 9.
I have lunch at noon.
I go to bed at 11. Remember, for daily habits, we always use the present simple tense.
And you can make your speech more natural by adding time words like usually, sometimes, always, and never.
For example, I usually drink coffee in the morning.
I sometimes watch movies at night.
So that was our topic for today. My daily routine.
Yes, now it's your turn. Tell us about your own routine in the comments below.
Use simple English sentences like I wake up at 6. I have breakfast at 7. I go to school at 8.
Don't worry about mistakes. The more you practice, the better you get.
Exactly.
And before you go, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Masterwords English.
Keep learning, keep smiling, and speak English every day.
See you next time.
Bye, everyone.